Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
The questioning of person by law enforcement after the person has been taken into custody. What is the answer? Guys, what is the answer for this one? The questioning of a person by law enforcement officer that the person has been taken, okay, into custody. Okay. What do you think is the answer for this question? Okay, sabi nila yan, the answer is letter B. Okay, letter B. Guys, no, preliminary investigation. This is an inquiry. I want you to remember, na inquiry to the facts to engender a well-founded belief. So, ito ay isang legal process, no, kung saan preliminary investigation is required, no, kapag yung kaso is 4-1, okay? So 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day. Okay? So hindi preliminary investigation is the answer. Okay? Tama si Leanne, John, at si Jodeline. Custodial investigation is the answer. Okay? The person has been taken in custody. That will be your keyword. Okay? But I want you to take note in other definition. Okay? In other book. Ganito ang definition nila. Okay? When you say about custodial investigation, I want you to read my comment, no? Pag sinabi niyo custodial investigation, no? It is a stage, no? Stage in the investigation where the investigator, no longer interested, no, to the other, no longer interested to the other, okay, to the other info, no, to the other info, no, because he is focused on the guilt of the accused. So I want you to remember, of the accused. So take note of that, no? Hindi na siya interesado sa ibang, because sa isip ng investigator, ang nahuli niyang tao ang siyang gumawa ng krimen. So sa custodial investigation, ang ginagawa niyang questioning is some sort of interrogation. So I want you to remember that. So, pero dapat it should be in adherence pa rin sa ating batas, no? Okay, meron tayong tinatawag na Miranda rights, di ba? Okay? So, dapat sinusunod pa rin natin yung constitutional rights of the accused. Okay? So, dahil kapag hindi natin ito sinunod, no, we will mababiolate natin yung special law. Okay, anong special law ang nababiolate natin kapag, for example, hindi natin nasunod yung rights of the person under arrest, under custodial investigation, under detention? Anong special law yun, guys? Okay, anybody makasagot? What do you call that law? Kasi nung when I was asked, no, nung dati nag-undergo ko ng promotion, sabi sa akin itong tanong sa akin, no? Kasi meron din kami itong parang tatanungin kay some sort of panel. Okay. Santos, kunyari, no, anong mga pwedeng ikaso sa iyo kapag hindi mo nasunod ang Miranda rights? Okay, buti na lang nagtuturo ako ng investigation. Kundi blackout. Okay? So what is the answer, guys? Anong special law ang ating na-violate. So I want you to take note, it is in violation of the violation of Republic Act 7438, the right of person under arrest, okay, under custodial investigation, and detention. So I want you to remember that. Please, I want you to write it. It's very important. May kulong yan. Kapag hindi mo na-observe yan, may kulong yan. 8 years ang kulong yan. 8 taon. Biro mo, sa hindi mo lang pagsasabi ng Miranda right o hindi mo pagsasabi ng constitutional rights, magre-recite ng constitutional o hindi mo in-inform, maaari kang makulong. Okay. So, please remember that, Let us now proceed to number 13. Okay. As a general rule, our warrant of arrest can be served at, what is the answer? Okay. What is the answer, guys? Sabi ni Alwin, Meko, ni Rose, okay, ni John. Letter C. Okay, tama. You are all correct. Any day and any time of the day or night. Ngayon, my question. Another follow-up question. Okay. Hindi mo dala ang iyong warrant, ang kopya ng warrant of arrest. Nakita mo ang, kunyari, alam mo na wanted yung tao. Hindi mo dala yung warrant of arrest, police ka. And then you saw that person na naglalakad. Hinuli mo siya. Then the person asked, bakit? Meron kang warrant of arrest. Sabi ng tao, nasaan ang warrant of arrest mo? Hindi mo dala. Kailangan ba at the time of serving the warrant arrest, in the time of arrest of the person, dapat ba dala mo ang warrant of arrest? Anong sagot? Yes or no? What is the answer? Okay. Sabi ni Mexico, no. Sabi ni JM, ni John Eric, sabi ni Leanne, okay, no. So, the answer, guys, is no talaga. Okay? Hindi. Okay? But, you will show the warrant as soon as practicable. I want you to take note, of this words, You show the warrant as soon as practicable. Kasi tinanong dati yan May dalawang may tatlong answer na puro no. Okay, alam natin no, kahit hindi dala, pero may mga reasoning. No, but you should show the warrant as soon as practicable. Meron nakalagay, no, but after 3 days, you can show the warrant of arrest. So may mga reasoning na ganon. But I want you to take note of this. You show the warrant as soon as practicable. Okay? So, please remember that. So, let us now, another question that I want to ask in this topic. The validity of warrant of arrest. The validity of warrant of arrest. Ilang araw? Ilang araw? Okay, sabi ni John 10. How about the others? How about the others? Okay, how about the others? Meron bang sasagot na iba? Oh, yun. Sabi ni Alwin, wala. Okay. Yun, sabi ng iba, wala. Okay. The answer, Nabitag lang ako. Tinanong ko lang ilang araw, pero wala. Okay? Wala siyang validity. But, take note, yung 10 days na sinasabi sa ating criminal procedures, okay? So, yung 10 days na sinasabi sa ating criminal procedures, that is the time when you report to the court why you did not execute or implement the warrant. Okay? So, take note of that, ha? Walang validity yan. Yung sinasabi sa ating batas na 10 days, that is, after 10 days, you will report to the court why you did not execute or implement the warrant. It will remain valid. Tama si, kasong hirap na ano ng pangalan, 1A Level 4 901 SSA. Ang hirap ng pangalan niya. Okay. So tama siya, sabi niya, dapat valid until served. Okay? Yun ang una no? So paano ba nawawalan ng visa ang warrant of arrest? Tama yung sinabi niya. If the warrant is already served, yun ang una. Okay? The warrant is already served. Okay? Tama rin si Jodeline, report after 10 days. Okay? So, take note, no? I want you to remember that una, if the warrant is served, hindi na valid yun. Okay? Yes, no, John, pagpatay, if the accused is already dead. Okay? Odessa. Okay? So, if the accused is already dead, okay, if the accused is already dead, tama si John. And, ano yung huli? Ano yung huli? Tatlo. If the judge who issued the warrant of arrest lifted it, no? Binawi niya. Okay? Okay lang yan, Odessa. Okay nga yung ano no? Okay yun parang sa ML. Okay. So, take note of that, no? Yung pinakahuli, the judge who issued the warrant of arrest has lifted it, no? So, please remember that. Tama din yung isang classmate nyo na nagsabi na ang 10 days, no, ay yan ay sa search warrant. Okay? So, please remember that.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!